will continue here. So from this story, what we have understood? The time to understand. The guest sent back the plate of potatoes because he felt they were not done the right way. What the guest does, he sent the plate of potato back because he thought that it was not done in a right way. He thought that the chef had not cooked the potatoes correctly. What he thought? The chef has not cooked the potato correctly. Crumb was angry because he felt that there was nothing wrong with the dish. What the Crumb thought? Crumb was angry and he felt that nothing was wrong with the dish. He wanted to teach the guest a lesson. What he thought? That he wanted to teach a lesson to the guest. Unknowingly, Crumb ended up making something better than the original dish. Unknowingly, Crumb ended up making something better than a original dish. By going to teach a lesson to the guest, what the Crumb does? He made the dish better and in a original form. When someone points out that something is not right, we must look at it closely. What we should do, if we do anything, any work, if it is not proper or someone is pointing you that it is not right, do it properly. So we must look at it closely. There may be things that we need to improve. We should think that there may be things which we need to improve. We should think of these people as our teacher and guides and take this as an opportunity to learn. What we should do, if someone is pointing us for something is wrong in our work, so we should think of these people as our teacher and guides, as our guidance, and take this as an opportunity to learn. Instead, when we get angry and upset, we are actually refusing to learn and improve. If some people who is pointing you in your work which is not right, so we should not get angry and upset. If we become angry and upset, we are actually refusing to learn and improve. So if there is a mistake in our work, we should learn and improve. We should not refuse to learn or improve. Consequently, we keep repeating the same mistake over and over again. If we refuse to learn and improve, if we get angry and upset on other person who is pointing us, so we will repeat the same mistake over and over again. So it should not happen. So what should we do? We should take their advice as a opportunity and learn and improve ourselves. Hope you have all understood the story. What we have learned from the story, that if we thought that our work is good, but the other person who is pointing you that the work is not right, so we should take the advice as an opportunity to learn and improve ourselves. The next is workout. Look at the maze given below. This is the maze given here. You have to find your way to go to the prize. This the way starts and here is the prize. So you have to find the way to go to the prize. Every time you hit a blind end, you must try again from the start. If you by going to get a prize, if you hit a blind end, so you should try again from the start. Use different colors to show the path you took at every try. If for this maze, use a crayon color. If you have taken the red, if you hit over here, then again you use another color for next try. Hope you all have understood. How many times did you try? Here some questions are there. You have to answer the questions after completing the maze. How many times did you try? How did you feel while trying again and again? Did you learn something at the end of every try? So, student, please answer these 3 questions after completing this maze. This is the homework part for you. Complete it. And here is the question answers. I will send you the note of this question answers afterwards. Now we go to the next page. Look at the pictures given below. For each picture, discuss what the mistake was and what lesson can be learned from it. Here 2 pictures are there. Some messages from the pictures are given. Let us discuss it. See the first picture. The girl is walking on a pathway. The car is on the road. What is coming from the car? The smoke is coming from the car. And see here, some factory is there, and from the factory also smoke is coming. So the girl get affected from the smoke and he became ill. And she became ill. She is sneezing. The girl is affected from the smoke. She became ill and she is sneezing. So what is the mistake over here? The smoke which is coming from the car, it will affect people and people will become ill. So what is the mistake over here? The air pollution. The smoke from the car and the smoke from the factory will pollute the air and the people get affected. So this is the mistake over here in this picture. The next picture, see here, the boy is sitting on his bed. It is a night time. See, moons and stars are there. So it is the night time. The boy is going to sleep. Before sleeping, what he is doing? He is eating chocolate. Is this a good habit? No. Before going to bed, we brush our teeth before going to bed. Yes, children? You all are brushing your teeth before going to bed. It is a good habit. You should brush your teeth before going to bed. So, before going to bed, if you brush your teeth, after brushing your teeth, you should have chocolate? No, you should not have chocolate. It will be harmful for your teeth. See, after eating the chocolate, what would happen to the boy? The boy having pain in his tooth. He got a toothache and he is crying. So, what is the mistake over here? The mistake is the boy is eating the chocolate at the bedtime. So, we should not eat chocolate at the bedtime. So, hope you have all understood the 2 pictures from here. The air pollution which affect the people, and here we should not eat anything at the bedtime. Hope you have all understood, student. This is the life skills. Read the passage. There are 6 mistakes mentioned in it. Find and underline them. This is also a homework part for you. You have to read the passage given here. There is a 6 mistakes in the passage. You have to underline them. So do this as your homework. Thank you, children. Stay home and be safe.